Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Rudhraksha beads. See, it's very interesting, right? So, though it looks very complicated and as it goes very intricate design, is very as easy as rolling a bead. Okay, so let's start. I'm taking a small quantity of clay. Just roll it as you're doing for making a bead, right? Just roll it. Now I'm going to use a comb. This you can see in any shop. So keep your rolled bead on the surface. Don't press it very hard. Just roll it like this. Very gently you have to roll. See, when you take out, it will be like this. So it's not finished, right? So the opposite side you can roll. So your pressure should be very less. Don't press it too hard. Very gently you have to roll. You have to keep rolling for a long time. So like this you have to roll. On the side we have to get the same pattern, right? See, so we have to keep rolling. If you press it too hard, it will just go inside the thing. So like this. See, we got this texture. Now using a toothpick, we can now pierce the hole. See, just touch the one end, take it off, and the same way go back. Yes, right? And here the size of the bead is your choice. I'm just making to demonstrate how to attain this design or pattern. Yeah. So isn't it so simple? If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.